Let me share with you some few research I did on why you should often drink pumpkin juice. Welcome back to my returning viewers and subscribers. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you all so much for watching. Here are 7 reasons why you should often take pumpkin juice. The first one is it enhances liver and kidney health. The second point is it boosts the immune system. This is because pumpkin juice is high in vitamin C. The third point is it supports weight loss. I'm sure we all want to lose some weight after the celebration season. The fourth point is it maintains healthy skin, if only for that. The fourth point is it has anti-aging properties. This is because pumpkin juice is high in collagen. The sixth point is it moisturizes dry and damaged hair. I love my natural hair. And the seventh point is if you take 1/3 cup of pumpkin juice, it contains 23 to 29% daily required vitamins and very much other positive nutritional value that comes with it. So you see, ever since I got to know you could have pumpkin juice and the good stuff behind it, I can't have enough of it. All I need is just 3 ingredients for this homemade pumpkin juice. I have my Long Island cheese pumpkin, some orange, and some ginger. You can find out what's your favorite taste. I paired mine with some orange and ginger. You can as well choose to go for carrot or apple. You can add in some cinnamon powder or turmeric. It all depends on you. At this point, I will let you continue watching to the end without interruption of my voice. At the end, you will see me introduce some drops of olive oil, or you can go for any other good quality of oil. This is to help the body better absorb the vitamins. Please do not forget to like this video and also share. I appreciate you all so much for watching.